then I let the cat out of the bag, and tell everyone, and so that's when everything came crashing down. But I'm glad because now I'm still doing what I want to do because I want
didn't trust the prosecutor. I owed him up. You probably could have worked with the prosecutor, but you just never know those things. And people like you, and you're that would have been such a great officer who was talked out by your family, and that's happening all over the place. I owed him up.
do not look up. They will.
Where are your ears?
4 years.
Bring me your ear. Oh.
Oh
my God.
Mm-hmm. You're not going to get anywhere. If anything, you're going to get zero respect given. So, yeah, and that's sad because we do need good officers. I mean, I don't know what else to say. They need help and they need trusted officials and people to protect them. And you gotta keep that relationship between the police and the cities. They're the ones who and it doesn't make any sense. They drive-bys and they hate cops and they want to go up and shoot a cop just because we have to remember those are bad apples. There's a lot of wonderful people that live in these communities who are scared for their lives day after day.
With her college roommate that lives in the city, and my son and daughter-in-law, and they live in a really great area. I love to go there. I love to eat the food right around that area. There's food like none other there. People don't feel safe going there, and there's areas I don't want to go in the city either, and there is not enough police officers. And I know my dad, my grandfather, and my grandmother all with and it's sad because they now know how non-supportive they were sometimes, and now it's even worse. And like someone yesterday said, there's still so many good officers, but there's the bad officers that they try so hard to get away from, but they're in there for various officers are going back in, and he's probably, like the Wizard of Oz behind the scenes going, this is so great. It happened exactly the way I wanted it to.
About how bad our police are and fun to do. 911 needs to be taken off of their phone. I don't even know if 1 or a 911 because lights went out.
Yeah, we wondered what was happening. Joe and I were wondering. That's right. Did her bunker lights go out? Okay, so the show right now. Vic Faust is out. Now, Vic Faust will be 9 o'clock. So stay tuned. At 9 o'clock. In the meantime, Megan is in for Vic. In the meantime, we were going to try to smart man that he is realized that she's in a bunker today and she's having a little bit of trouble with her lights. What? I keep saying I think World War III is already. We're already. It's not going to be 90 years from now. We're not. But we are.
I owed him up.
Talking about everything but these terrorists that are coming across the border and hurting our freedom.
Huh?
Biden and his reluctancy to admit what's going on is
What kind?
unbelievable. I guess we supposed to be surprised more that guy
How long? Joe Biden to get out of his car, but they're wanting us to say that these are, we talked about yesterday, deep fakes, sheep fakes, our own eyes do not see this man. It's not his age, it's his mind in his body. So you see this video, and watch how long it takes him to get it. And you know it's not slowed down.
slow motion, folks.
That's right. Now they're going to tell us. And keep playing it, Joe. Okay, so right here, they're going to say that this was edited.
Huh?
And if you video earlier of when Joe Biden.
What I mean, I think this is like, it's just because I'm an empathetic human being. But this part, like, if this were my father, it would break my heart that. That he is just
Immediately no.
But
Immediately no.
those,
I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see. Is that him?
This guy right here that's climbing into this, about to, if that guy wasn't there.
Yeah.
Look.
Compared to all of the other issues that he has.
NANI?
Because I know he wants to empower absolutely. And at some point, is it because this is not her that's why she got with him?
Man.
And you know that she was sleeping with him with the babysitter, that she knew, even as young as she was, this is not a good man. So is she really that or is she part of
Joe Biden, we know you were there. You did it. Now, do the responsible thing. Do the right thing by your husband, number one. And quit pimping him out there. Like, and do right by our country. And make a decision. Whether it's Michelle Obama or Gavin Newsom or do the right thing and pull
But what do you think? Nick asked me this question yesterday, and I'd like to hear the answer from you. Who do you think it helps? Okay, so President Trump is running. Do
NANI?
you think it helps Donald Trump to keep Joe Biden in and he's run against him, or then to pull the plug on him and he won't?
The Democrats. It has nothing to do with the state of the union. It has nothing to do with the state of our republic. It has to do with not allowing they will vote for Democrats. So from the black community, according to the polls, we're getting a lot more young voters that are leaning towards Trump. You know, he's doing TikToks now and trying to engage with the younger crowd. So I think that we'll pull from them a little bit, but in the big scheme of things, the people that voted in the last election Democrat are going to do it again.
I think you're true in a lot of cases because there's some diehard, prideful Democrats that they even think some of these grocery prices and all those things is for the greater good. It is swaying. I think there's even people that are Democrats are saying for the first time ever, I am not going to vote Democrat. I'm still a Democrat, and I will vote for the next good Democrat. But I vote for Joe Biden. And they gave it to somebody in India. I lost my job, and I'm 55 years old, and they gave it to a kid right out of college making half of the price. So I truly think by keeping Joe Biden, I hope they do, because I think it is too big to rig. I really do. But I really think if you put in somebody like Michelle Obama, it sways some people. I didn't like. I can vote for
No.
Said on the chat line, she said her husband does not like Biden, but will vote for him because he will not. You know, that's just a perfect example of a lot of these people that are out street or trying to get an idea of who they're going to vote for. Remember that a lot of these people that are saying who they're going to vote for are not even registered voters.
That's right.
So that it is shocking. Conversations with that have strong opinions on politics. wish that I believed that, but I don't. These things are good.
They are.
I mean, think of all of the things that we've been through in the last year with fraud, up in New York, like all of the things that gets turned around on Trump. It's just bring stuff up, and they actually go through the process. We had to go through the whole Fonnie Willis thing. The inflation of his tax or his real estate portfolio in New York. Like he goes through all of these cases. I mean, they are just getting their game just down to a T. Like they're, I don't think they're a fair election again.
That is so sad. Because they did what they
You have to go back and remember, like what we actually saw. Like you said, right before our eyes, we saw flooding at ballot stations. We saw mysterious power outages and ballot stations. Hundreds and hundreds of ballots dumped. I mean, and the late night shots. I mean, all of that.
Well, speaking of on the game, here's Vic Faust right here.
A chance to be recruited by colleges. But in football, with recruiting, it really starts when you're a sophomore with a lot of We've been to North Carolina State, we've been to Memphis, Iowa, and he goes to love it, and he works hard for it. So we'll see where it goes.
Congratulations. As a parent, too, I know kids think it's great. I don't know, I think you get more excited about it because
My second son gets hitting a lot earlier, so that's what I get to do. Lizzie's the mom. and all that. So even if the apocalypse happens,
Nope.
the answer to this will still go on from our bunkers.
And Glenn's gonna keep me supplied with spam, right, Glenn?
That's right.
And Ben's gonna bring me salad.
Guys,
Huh?
gas sometimes from a car, they're more apt to freeze. If they get
I owed him up.
yeah, I don't know why that is. Phone picks up. He's back now.
Maybe we can hear him.
Can we leave it?
There we go.
There he is. Yeah, and Jay says that Vic is having a Biden. He's freezing. Yeah, a Mitch McConnell or a Joe Biden moment.
Could be
Yeah.
microphone permissions. But, oh, there we go.
There you go. Oh yeah, I teased that so much. Vic is frozen in all the female.
That's right.
That's right.
We stun him.
That's right.
Stunned.
He's just stunned for sure.
I mean, look at this. It doesn't get much better.
Oh yeah.
And Donald Trump.
That's right. Donald Trump makes a good picture. For sure. And if anybody's wondering, the flower. No, he's gonna make it.
What's the point of anything?
Happy now?
We do
I
have you
did
now.
find-
We do. Oh, good.
Oh, you know what the pain is?
Yeah.
You said-
Go.
As a parent, why do you think it's more exciting than your kids? Your kids, of course, but why do you think it's even more exciting?
Oh my god. Que me ponga algo para que yo empiece a facturar. Porque yo tampoco voy a ir a trabajar a un supermercado, o sea, no hay forma, ¿me entendés? Porque él no me crió para eso.
They're Trump fans.
I
No, 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 no.
They're doing
No, no, no.
Allowed to have talks with other people where they're exposed to everything, but they're also getting the full story of everything, and making decisions for themselves, not just giving them one side, which is what we're trying to do
Ella va bien. Gilio.
during free period, they listen and call.
oh, that's the best. It's really neat. Yeah, because a lot of times kids don't listen to their parents, but it's just what she always says. But I found that a lot of friends listen, which is so interesting. And they'll go, "Oh my gosh, your mom and everybody's so cool," and they're right. And then I just beam without having to say a word.
journey. Of course, we quit USA.
Well, hey, Vic, congratulations to you on your 400th. You're so sweet to thank everybody else, but you're the engine behind this.
Oh,
I've
no.
always been a fan and just an audience member like everybody else since you started. So try to pat yourself on the back. You're doing a great job.
Oh my god.
Quite an accomplishment.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
All right, well, number 400.
I'm excited for Graham.
Yes, it is so true.
I-
When you have your child doing something like this,
It really is,
Oh, no, 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 no.
all of the chicken,
so true.
and not all young kids are motivated. When you see these young folks that are go-getters and want to do well for themselves.
Well, it is. There's so many things today that distract our children to make them not do it. From watching social media to Netflix to Hulu, whatever it is that they watch, and it's kind of promoted not to be an achiever these days. It's I had heard on the quote news earlier this morning that they're going to put their public school systems in addition to the 30 minutes for PE, they're going to now put in a 20-minute segment, and I don't know if that's every day. That's just so... Relax.
Oh, no, no, no.
Relax.
Again, that's gives them this grandiose idea of what they're, and then when you can't attain that or have what they have, it really does.
Call me crazy or call it rude. I think there should be a meditation class. I think. Anybody who's meditated how
Well, and then there you guys, I love this show so much because here I am saying, oh my gosh, here we go, now it's a real class. And you two are like, well, maybe it's a good thing because mental health is social, and maybe it is a good thing for the kids to take 20 minutes to meditate.
No, I amazing things. However, I think that instead of teaching to meditate, I think is just really just skiing on the top of what's going on. I think they need to be taught how to regulate themselves.
That's right.
When things are not going the way
What are these creatures, huh?